In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule posts in Facebook groups. Alright, so I'm starting off by going to Facebook, just opening it up here, and once it loads, you'll see your usual home feed with posts and everything. From here, what we want to do is head over to the group where we want to schedule the post. So I'm just navigating to my group section and clicking into the specific Facebook group I want to use. Okay, now that I'm inside the group, you'll notice at the top there's a space where you can create a post. It usually says write something, so I'm just going to click on that. That opens up the post box just like when you're about to share something right away. Now at this point, I'm just going to type out my post like I normally would. Nothing different here, just go ahead and write whatever content you want to share in the group. You can take your time with this part, make sure everything looks good, and once you're happy with what you've written, we'll move on to setting it up to post later. Alright, so my post is ready, and instead of posting it immediately, I'm going to look for the scheduling option. Down here in the post box, there should be a button or option that says schedule post. I'm just going to click on that and you'll see it brings up a scheduling menu. Now this is where you choose when your post is actually going to go live. So I'm selecting a date first, just scrolling through and picking the day I want. Once that's set, I'll choose a time as well. You can adjust it however you like, just make sure it lines up with when you want people in the group to see your post. Once that's done, I'll just double check the date and time quickly to make sure everything looks right. And when you're good to go, just go ahead and click on schedule. As soon as you do that, Facebook saves your post and sets it to publish automatically at the time you selected. And that's it, your post is now scheduled in your Facebook group and you don't have to come back later to post it manually, it'll just go out on its own exactly when you set it.